Hoping that message wasn't from who I think it was from.
Has anyone else heard reports of Spider-Man literally seeking out clouds of smog to swing through? Is this the behavior of a sane individual? I'll tell you what I think is going on here. When I was a lad, there was a problem with juvenile delinquents sniffing glue to get high. Knowing Spider-Man's weak moral character and thrill-seeking personality, I'd guess the same principle is at work here. But inhaling toxic substances also damages the brain, which actually explains a lot about Spider-Man. He's swinging through the city hopped up on smog!
Hey Pete, this station's one of my pet projects. I always thought the cellular network was vulnerable to terrorist attacks, so I set this up to monitor it. Can you do me a favor? Look for anything suspicious.
Uh-oh. It's not terrorists, but there's a glitch in the system that's causing interference. And if I don't fix it, it'll bring the whole network down. Right now it's only affecting the most sensitive equipment, like mine. I need to stay outside the areas of interference while I fix the cell towers. There. I set my lenses to show me the danger zones. Gotta fix the cell towers before the whole city's comms go down. Ah! Gotta get out of here! That's the downside of all the tech in my mask. That hurt. Ow, ow, ow! One down, but I'll need to fix 3 more to solve the problem. Bet I can use those helicopters to swing. So much depends on cellular networks now. A crash would affect police, hospitals. It'd be as bad as a blackout. Gotta hurry. Felt like my eardrums were gonna burst. And soon that'll happen to everyone. Got it. The job's only halfway done. Oh man, I wish there was a way to fix this for everyone except people who use their phones in movie theaters. The problem's getting worse. Okay, let's not do that again. Got that one fixed. Bought me some time, but I can't slow down. Can't waste a second. Getting to be a tight squeeze. Bam! Now New Yorkers can share their domestic disputes on the subway again. And emergency services are safe, which is, also important. If the network had crashed, it would have cost Oscorp a bundle to fix their comms. They'll want to keep this station up and running. Harry's project should be safe.
Attention units, we have a possible kidnapping.
Lovely.
Incident was reported near Trinity.
I'll tune my earpiece to listen for sounds of someone struggling.
Looking good, Spidey.
Someone help before the guys who did this come back!
Come on out. Stretch your legs.
Never thought I was getting out of here. Thank you. There! Those are the guys who did it! Hey, fellas! Spider-Man's ripping us off! What are we supposed to do with this now? Quit moving! Knock that off! Finally, fight! Brainiac!
Thank you, thank you. There will be no encore, as all the kidnappers are unconscious.
Now, friends, you know I'm always open to differing points of view. So after a police officer called me out on social media for being too hard on Spider-Man, and it went viral and people just wouldn't shut up about it, I agreed to a debate. Officer, welcome.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, so me and my guys went in a shootout with some desperate characters who had nothing to lose. I mean, they didn't care if we all lived or died. And somebody would have, trust me, if Spider-Man hadn't helped us.
All right, fair enough. I'm not saying he never does anything good. I'm saying he causes more problems than he solves. You had to go to the academy, right? Be thoroughly trained. You have rules to follow.
Sure, but he seems to know what he's doing, too.
It worked out for the best this time. Next time, how do we know Spider-Man won't cause the deaths of all concerned?
Well, he never has before, has he?
I believe we'll just have to agree to disagree. Thank you for your service. Goodbye!
Superheroing doesn't leave much time for good hygiene. Gotta get it where I can.
What are you looking at, Spidey? Quick interview for my blog?
Crap, I'm late for work. Gotta go, Spidey.
Hi, Spider-Man.
Nice composition, if I do say so myself.
Wow.
Can you say hi to my kid?
Yuri, This construction site's about as legit as the watches they sell in Times Square.
I don't have evidence for a warrant. You go in, you're on your own.
What else is new?
No disrespect to the wall. You're gonna say something like that and say no disrespect. I'm just saying, I got kids. I got alimony. Yeah, we all got expenses. The boss never let us down before, and he won't now. But they froze his assets. I'm sure, the ones they knew about. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Ain't all that much, know what I mean? I hear you. Take it from me. Walk better in there than we do out here. Nothing over here.
Com check, Zebra 2. Zebra 2's not responding. Check it out. Copy. Moving to his position.
Oh no. He's here!
You're in timeout.
Knock him out! Oh crap! Look out!
Down already! You don't mess with the Kingman and live. He's gone! We can't let him beat us!
How's he beating us?
You guys are late. Don't worry. I got plenty of face kicks left.
Gonna crush your skull!
Come on, bring him down already.
Yeah, got it!
More guys? I don't have this many friends!
Spider-Man, I checked records and that site's been getting deliveries from cartel front companies.
They're moving drugs, huh? Not for long.
I'm in an ass-kicking mood. Heads up! Get that board! Take him down! Get it off!
Shouldn't have messed with the Kingpin.
Come on, guys! Let's finish this!
Oh, great, more of them! Guys, Fisk isn't here! You could have just bailed!
Here comes the thing! What's it take to stop this guy? Take cover! Can't stay up there forever! Stop already! Get down!
Reinforcements again? This is only acceptable if you're all showing up in clown cars!
Flank him! What is that? This'll wrap things up. Painful. Hey, get it off!
Yuri, I got a bunch of incapacitated criminals and designer narcotics all wrapped up and waiting for you.
Great, I'll just consider this an anonymous tip.
People know my parents died in a plane crash, but I still can't tell anyone they were government agents. Wish I knew more about them. hitting me! Spoiler, I hit back.
We gotta keep him on the ground or we're done!
Live by the beatdown, die by the beatdown.
Thanks. I think I'll be okay.
Attention unit. Civilians are trapped following a car crash.
The infamous dumpling recipe. Should have come with step 10. Try not to burn everything in MJ's apartment. That car crash looks bad. Hope no one's injured.
Damn it, now Spider-Man! How craps is they gonna get?
Don't panic. I'm here. Our pedestrians trapped under that car. I have to help them. Just a little more. People are still trapped. Need to help fast.
I'm gonna tell everybody you're for real.
Okay, people are safe. I should clear out so the professionals can get in.
You're safe. Thank you. I'm this close to getting my CPA.
Never seen you this close.
I love you. Wave to my grandma.
Nostalgia. This city used to be a war zone. I'll tell you where you can shove your
Bozos
nostalgia.
blocking the sidewalks. Tours.
Spider-Man.
Aw, all this for little old me?
Vita Lodi!
humans need a vacation or something. Dudes are way too high-strung. I bought this used graphing calculator at a pawn shop. Stopped working in the middle of a trig exam. Huh, you get what you pay for.
All units, narcotics sale reported in progress. Proceed to 2 bridges. Over.
Drug trade's gotten more aggressive post-Fisk. Gotta stomp that out.
Points out. You're dealing in his old territory. You're dead, no question. Yes, I was
Gotta be honest, I'm not a fan of Big Pharma. Especially back alley Big Pharma.
Fisk did keep these wannabe pushers in check. Wait a minute, what's that feeling? Do I miss him? No. I'll text Yuri the location. Cops will be here in no time. Perfect.
Attention units, a break-in was just reported. Officers needed in Little Italy.
Great. Forgot how much I love photography. My Wilson Fisk Science Prize trophy. And check. I couldn't turn it down without arousing suspicion, but no way was I going to take his money, even though we could have used it. I did accept the lifetime supply of backpacks, though.
All units, we have reports of a car crash. Civilians are trapped. Officers near Nolita, please report.
I got it!
Nice.
Where do your waves come from? Hey, Spider-Man!
Nasty car wreck.
You're not putting this work on me. So easy at it, fighting.
Attention
think that debris is trapped. Don't panic! I'm here! Okay. Still need to rescue the trapped civilians.
Thanks, big guy. You're okay in my book. Thanks.
Just a little more!
Spider-Man! Help!
Everyone's safe. I should let fire and rescue do their jobs.
I had it covered, but thanks.
Can you believe it?
Maybe this'll help me balance work and a personal life, if I ever find time to read it. Should find out what that mysterious stranger was talking about. Someone needs a nap. Welcome to the air show. Demons seem to be gearing up for something big.
Terrorists are assaulting officers. Shots fired. Officers needed in Little Italy.
Demons are getting worse than Fisk ever was. Hold tight, officers. The web-swinging cavalry's here. maniac, but he loved New York. The demons, though, seems like they just want to tear the city down. Stay safe.
Look, I know you've been hacking into our crime system towers.
Wasn't me. I mean, what towers?
I don't mind. In fact, I need your help. I think someone's jamming the system, and they must be using multiple jammers to cover the full frequency range. Could you take a look? If you help, I promise I won't tell anyone you're hacking us.
I prefer to call it sharing, but sure. The jammers emit a signal I can detect. Just need to swing through the financial district and hunt for a signal. Found a signal. Just need to follow it. The closer I am to the jammer, the stronger the signal gets. Fisk's men. This is my shocked face.
I got Spider-Man!
Smoke him!
Gotta take out the jamming device. Shoddy workmanship. I just took out a jamming device. That do anything?
No, but like I said, there's probably a bunch of them.
Makes sense. I'll track him down. I wonder if Fisk's men had anything to do with the system going down in the first place.
Thought we had a cop on the payroll keeping us off the ground.
Aw, they had a jamming party and didn't invite me.
Dano, that you? Hey,
You're done.
hey! Guess what's up? Crap, get it on! Had to be someone there.
You're just not very observant.
Spider-Man's here! No, don't tell me!
Oh, sorry, did I startle you?
Stand by, checking out a noise. Heads up! I see him!
Just need to get rid of the jammer. Sometimes breaking stuff is the answer. And it's fun, too.
Spider-Man, it's working. I'm starting to get a weak signal. It's garbled, but I picked up something about Fisk and outfits.
Fisk was the kingpin of crime, but he didn't deal in knockoff fashion. The sooner the system is fixed, the sooner we know what they're planning. Only one jammer left. This rooftop's clean. Well, by New York standards.
Why we need these jammers? I thought our guy on the inside disabled all the crime towers. Someone's been reactivated. We can't risk anyone seeing what we're up to.
Found you.
Racket! Everyone down! He's sending us out! I'm in an ass-kicking mood! Get out of the way! Got something for you!
Now I just need to wreck the jammer. Okay, that's the last of them. The system should be back online.
Spider-Man, the crime system's working again.
Great. Any more info on Fisk's men or those outfits?
No, but the system's reporting unauthorized activity down by the docks. I'm sending coordinates now.
I'll check it out. Gotta get to the docks before they escape. Enough firepower for a small army. Whatever they're planning to do with those, it's nothing good. Gotta find out what those guns are for.
man out.
Let's play the quiet game.
I get the uniforms and ID, but why do we need so much extra muscle? Because if things go south, we'll need all the firepower we can bring. You really think this plan can work? After how much these IDs cost, it better. Hey, who's that?
I know, I should have called first.
Anyone else? How you like them out?
Now maybe I can figure out what's going on. Guns, prison guard uniforms, and spoofed ID cards. They were planning to bust Fisk out of the raft. Sorry to spoil your prison break, guys.
You're gonna have a bad...
Looks like New York's finest have it from here.
Everything's clear on my end, too. Thanks for restoring the system, Spider-Man. I won't tell anyone you're piggybacking on it, but if you get caught, you're on your own.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to delete my selfies from the crime system servers. All this for little old me? Demons need a vacation or something. Dudes are way too high-strung.